Welcome back to another video. Today we need to talk about the mid-engine Corvette. I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. I've been looking forward to this car for probably the last 10 to 15 years, as many have. It always seemed like a rumor, but that rumor was that hint of possibility. So why not look forward to it like everybody else has done? Problem is now that the leaked photos of the actual car running the ring around town, in Detroit, all over the place, are starting to come to fruition. The hate train. The hate train has started. Now that's where I get a little bit confused, and that's where I'm a little bit cheesed off about this car. Personally, I think it looks fantastic. I think some of the headlights and taillights and some of the things that people have heavily criticized is strictly a camo issue. And I am not going to give any final judgments on this car until the day it is announced. Till the day we see it in whatever extravagant paint job GM decides to put on. I am very excited for that day, and I will leave it to them to either create a rocket ship or drop the ball. That's that. The sound of it sounds fantastic. The exhaust tips being that kind of squarish look, very unique. A lot of people says it's, mid-engine Camaro more of a look. I mean, the Camaro's one hell of a bad ride. Why would you not want some influence out of such a well-established and loved car? Especially when it's your car. I think people are also getting a little caught up that it's not going to be a Corvette. It will not be a Corvette. They will not ditch their front engine, rear wheel drive, affordable American sports car for a more expensive version. I'm going to say it right now. I seen a Ford GT on the weekend, a brand new one, two of them actually at one car show. And the doors were popped. It had a Gulf livery, and the carbon fiber had bubbled on the door sill inside the car. You tell me, why is a $500,000 US car made of carbon fiber bubbling? I mean, there's so many issues with so many things on the market right now that everybody seems to forget this, and they're just so quick to jump on the hate train. Oh, it's ugly, and oh, it's this, and oh, it's that. It's like you haven't actually seen the car. You haven't seen it in person. Nothing. This car, when it came out, this 2016 Camaro, most of my family said it looked really feminine, like they really rounded the Camaro off. And I'm sitting there like, it looks so mean and so angry. I have no idea what you're talking about. Perspective, opinion, it's just all over the place. I think the car is going to be amazing. It's going to sell well. It's going to deliver what everybody's been looking for as far as affordability, performance, and everything is going to just check all the boxes. And then obviously with all that checked, you're going to get typical GM, some plastic interior bits and whatever. Maybe some reliability issues in the future. Again, nobody can tell that one until you've owned it for a while and smashed the miles on it. But it's going to be what it's going to be. You got to give something to get something. And I'm pretty excited to see what the overall package is going to be before I just automatically fire my mouth off and hate on something that I haven't seen yet. Same with any car. I mean, I really do try to be open-minded and give cars a try before I automatically hate. Just is what it is. But I want to know your guys' opinions. I want to know, are you excited about the car? Do you think it's going to be great? Do you think it's going to be a flop? Do you think it's gorgeous, ugly, work in progress, going to have better trim packages as the car is out for a couple years and they start tweaking stuff? What do you think? And then the aftermarket world, you got to remember, there's going to be some wild stuff from the aftermarket world. So it's going to be a real game. It's going to be really interesting to see how that all plays out, because no American company has really tried to tackle affordability mid-engine supercar. So a lot of opportunities for success and a lot of opportunities for failure is what it is. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.